Hey friends, I want to talk about how to become a mystery shopper today. I know for a fact that there can be money made in being a mystery shopper. And even if it's just something like you just want to do on the side or for fun or to get some extra perks, I mean, why not? I mean, I've told the story a couple times where I used to work at Brahms. I was a manager back in like high school. And we had secret shoppers come in there. And I remember thinking how cool it was because they got to come in there and I know for sure all of the stuff that they bought, they got for free. So, I mean, they got free food and they got paid on top of that. So why not do it? Because you're going to those stores anyways, right? I have a site that I have recently found that I think that you are going to love. And it has a whole lot of stuff that has to do with making money and secret shoppers. But the one I'm going to talk about the most, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, it's Walmart. And they're hiring right now. And you can get, like, I call it a bonus, but it's just you get $200 for doing it. $200? Hello? Yeah, I'll take it. And I talk on my channel a lot about Walmart because you can be an affiliate for Walmart too, and you can make good money. So you know what? I suggest go ahead and be an affiliate for Walmart and be a secret shopper. After this video, I'll go ahead and put a link up here to Walmart so you can learn about their affiliate program. And believe it or not, it's even better than Amazon. It pays more than Amazon. So I don't know why more people aren't focused on Walmart instead of Amazon. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Just saying. Let's get into the video and let's talk more about how you can get this $200 and being a secret shopper for Walmart. First, do me a favor. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and ring that notification bell. That way, every time I come up with something like this or make money online, then you get to know about it. And I make sure that way you're first. So ring that bell. Let's get into the video. Now, the site that I'm telling you about is usproducttesting.com. This is a cool site. Now, it has tech, gaming, shopping, home and garden, beauty, secret dining, news, reviews. It actually has a whole lot of stuff, but I'm not going to go into all of that right now. But you can just see from here, review, Maybelline, test and keep, makeup. I mean, you know, Apple. Get a chance to be a mystery shopper with $100 at Best Buy. Who doesn't like Best Buy? If you like tech, then you're gonna like Best Buy. See, with this site, you could become a mystery shopper today. How to get rich quick in GTA 5 online. I think that's gaming. It's not up my alley, but I think that's what it is. And here's the Walmart that I was telling you about. See, it has a $200 voucher. So we're gonna look at today. But just to show you the site, I mean, I really think it's cool and it's something that somebody would know. I mean, I literally found it today and it's like, I have to do a video. I have to tell everybody about this. If you want to become a tester, you know, how to sign up, what's next. You can check more into it, check more into the company from what I've researched because I did some research on this morning. It's legit and, you know, a chance to be a mystery shopper at Walmart, which I love Walmart. I think you can make money from Walmart. I love to shop at Walmart. So that's why my red flag was like, Walmart, do me a favor. If you shop at Walmart, just put yes or no in the comments because I'm curious if I'm not the only one. So, okay, to go in here, really easy. Let's go through it. Don't forget to click your little checkie there and then apply. Here, enter the best email address page. We just need a few more details. Your title. Go with that. My first name. Search for your address and then select the address from options. Next page, of course, I want everybody to see where I live. Great, we just need a few details. Do you own your home? I do. Select your date of birthday. February this month. I don't know if this video is gonna come out this month, but it's my birthday month. February 16th. I wish it was 1982. That's my birthday. I'm telling you my age. It's okay. It's my birthday month. Oh yeah. My cell phone number. Of course, I didn't let y'all see that, but on the next page, you come up with this. Keep me updated with the latest freebies, coupons, and other offers. You can click this little button right here. Next. Are you interested in speaking with someone about your medical options? No. Next. Okay, then we just need a few more option details, blah, 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 read those, and check, uncheck, click next. Hi, Shelly. Just 2 more things to do. Read and respond to the questions below and confirm your email. Earn life points, redeem them from cash. It's easy. Check if you want PayPal, donations. Most people want PayPal. PayPal money. You can earn a $50 cash with your government, blah, blah, blah. Opt in now, confirm your registration. Yes. Get cash and free gift cards, taking online surveys, read all that, enter yes or no, go on. Your free gateway to paid surveys and more, yes or no, continue. Click continue. Boom. Keep clicking and then click continue. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Congratulations, your entry is nearly in. Take me there. Isn't that a song? Take me there. Yeah. So it says confirm email. So go ahead and double check it in your own email. It makes you do the next, so you have to confirm it in your email, and it makes you do the next few steps in your email. Normally on these videos, I've done this in advance, but I literally haven't. So I signed up when I just went through it with you. So I signed up too. Like I said, I just found this today and I wanted to hurry up and get this out there. Now, I wanted to tell you more about this site because I like to have evergreen videos. And so you can keep coming back to the site and, you know, do secret shoppers or see anything else. Like you could go back and you could do Best Buy because they had, you know, Best Buy. So you could do that one and you could do Walmart. But I saw the Walmart one and it may not always be on here, but it's on here now. So I would go ahead and sign up. Why not, right? I mean, if you shop at Walmart anyways, I wouldn't go out of your way to go be a secret shopper at Walmart if you don't. You know what I'm saying? But I did tell you that I had something that, I mean, you can really make some money at the end of this video. And I'm going to tell you about it because this is what has helped me do what I do now. And it has helped me help others get to 6 figures and beyond. And it all starts with just moving forward and taking literally left foot and right foot and doing it. Now, it is work. I always say, you know, it's not like pushing a button and money is going to fly out of your butt. Okay. I'm just saying. So if you think that's it, stop this video. Thanks for watching, subscribe, all that stuff. But if you are serious and you're willing to walk through that door of opportunity, and I know this sounds cheesy, but change your life, then you're going to want to click the first link in the bio. If you do that, I have something special for you. So if you actually do it, comment below and let me know because I also am here to help you. And we have coaches for you for free. It's not like, you know, I mean, we really want to help you. Go ahead, get the first link in the bio. And then don't forget, if you did like this video, I'll go ahead and I'll put one of those Walmart videos because I have several that I really think is really cool because you could be an affiliate for Walmart and you can make money even if it's like little things. Like I have like I think it's actually, that's from Amazon because I couldn't find it on Amazon, on Walmart, but like my camera and my mic and, you know, you can use stuff like that from Walmart in all kinds of different ways like that. And I have other videos on my channel. So subscribe, check out the next video, and guess what? I'm in it. So I'll see you there.